Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the B sharp minor chord on your keyboard. First, locate your B sharp, your root note. Play this with your first finger. You'll notice the key is actually C, but it's called B sharp. The next note you'll need is the D sharp. Play this with your third finger. The last note you'll need is the G. Play this with your fifth finger. Okay? There you have it, the B sharp minor chord. Now, because the B sharp minor chord is in fact a 3-note chord, you can also have what's known as 3 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion, because you have the root note at the bottom. To make the next inversion, simply move the bottom note, the note B sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is the B sharp minor first inversion. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord, the D sharp, all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is called B sharp minor second inversion. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, moving the note G all the way to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, just like the one we started with, only one octave higher. Now, of course, you can go downwards on the piano as well, starting with the root inversion. Now move the top note of the chord to the bottom. This is the second inversion of the chord. Again, move the top note of the chord downwards. This is first inversion. And one more time, the top note of the chord all the way to the bottom, and you're back at the root inversion. Okay, let's do it one more time. B sharp minor, root inversion, bottom note to the top, first inversion, bottom note to the top, second inversion, bottom note to the top, root inversion. And the other way, root inversion, top note to the bottom, second inversion, top note to the bottom, first inversion, top note to the bottom, root inversion. Now to practice these inversions, simply play like this. Root, first, second, root, root, second, first, and root. And you can also practice these inversions using arpeggios. Do like this. There you have it, the B sharp minor chord. So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordcharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.